In late 1907 or early 1908, Pieper introduces a new feature. The frame is identical to the model 1907, but the front screw is replaced by a keyed pin attached to a locking lever on the left side above the trigger guard. Pieper advertises this feature as allowing disassembly without tools, demontant. After turning the lever down, one can lift the breech assembly and barrel from the frame, which facilitates cleaning and maintenance. In parallel, Pieper also offers the same pistol with a tipping barrel, basculant, which brings him back to the original Warnant design. Here, the barrel assembly tips around the axis pin at the front of the gun. By lowering the central release lever, the barrel assembly is disengaged and can be tipped down. The recoil spring guide rod has a T-shaped extension at its rear end, which engages with a pair of studs at the front of the slide. This differs from the design Pieper sold to Steyr in the same year, which has a hook at the end of the recoil spring guide rod. The breech housing of the basculant gun is held in place by a single screw at the rear, covered by the safety lever when in the fire position, just like the Model 1907. Like the Model 1907, the Model 1908 is marked on the left side of the recoil spring housing in all capital sans serif characters as follows: Pistolet Automatique N Pieper BT SGDG. Serial number, markings, and grip plates are identical to the Model 1907. The finish is blued with the trigger in the white, and the transfer bar fire blued. A 1909 advertisement states that the gun is available blued, browned, or nickel-plated, as well as engraved or inlaid with gold, and also with rubber, walnut, celluloid, ivory, or mother-of-pearl grips. Designed by Nicolas Pieper, son of Henri Pieper.